Want to become certified AWS Solutions Architect and master the backbone of cloud infrastructure? Whether you are a developer, SysOps admin, or a cloud learner, this is the course and this is your launchpad to success. I'm Amit. I have over 50 cloud certifications across AWS, Microsoft, and Oracle Cloud. I have designed this course to be the most exam-focused, hands-on AWS Solutions Architect experience built for real-world architecture and certification mastery. You will work through scenario-based practice questions, architecture blueprints, and cloud-native design patterns covering EC2, S3, VPC, IAM, Lambda, and more. Every question is mapped to the latest exam domains and real AWS IT enterprise grade projects. Let's turn your cloud skills into certification and your certification into career defining momentum. I'll see you in the course.